Well, absolutely. And Shreya, stay with us. We have some breaking news coming in. This is a big update coming in related to the probe in the case. So this is day 8. Remember, viewers of Sandeep Ghosh's questioning. Sandeep Ghosh had arrived in the CBI office. We have those visuals as well. And we have some details, inside details and scoop on Sandeep Ghosh's continuous grilling and questioning. So what we know at the moment is that Ghosh was questioned for over 10 hours on Thursday. Now that questioning overall, when we speak of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's questioning, that has happened for over 80 hours. Bhavtosh is joining us live with more details on the same. Bhavtosh, give us more details from your sources in the CBI far as Sandeep Ghosh's questioning is concerned.
Well, Rakshi has been questioned for 7 days. His questioning started last Friday when his counsel, in fact, went to the Calcutta High Court and sought some kind of protection. But that was not granted, and since then he has been questioned for every day till today, and he's been that's now nearly 76 hours of questioning has taken place. And yesterday the CBI had gone to the local court and sought permission to carry out his polygraph test. Not only his polygraph test, but also the 4 doctors who were with the victim in the intervening night of 8th and 9th August. And court has given permission to carry out the polygraph test. Now the question is why he is the person who has been continuously questioned. Well, the parents of the victim have in fact apprehended that the principal, the former principal, is hiding something, and so as the Supreme Court has said why was the delay in filing of the FIR. Importantly, said that why did not the principal himself went ahead and filed the FIR, to which senior advocate Kapil Sibal said that the father of the victim had said that he will file the complaint. Importantly, he's not only in the dock because of the incident that happened, the horrific crime that has happened, but also the Calcutta police has also filed a case of financial bungling against him. CBI suspect that he's hiding something, that there are discrepancies in his statement, that he's not revealing the entire truth, and also the reported renovation work that has been carried out just a day after the body was found. Now, he has completely denied all the charges that have been leveled against him. At some point of time, he has said that this is interdepartmental rivalry that he's been victim of. But the fact remains that as soon as he had resigned from the post, he was immediately offered another plum posting, but it was only at the intervention of the Calcutta High Court that he was sent on a long leave, and later he was sacked.
All right, Bhavtosh, stay with us. So we'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the same. Talking more about, the entire incident and the questions which, had been asked of the TMC government. Certain tough questions had been asked of the Mamata government yesterday by the Supreme Court. We've taken our viewers through some questions. One of the biggest questions which the Supreme Court has raised was also about the diary entry which was made by the police. Diary entry was made at 10:10 a.m. yet the crime scene was secured only at 7 p.m. Supreme Court had asked the TMC government on that as well. The case of unnatural death which was filed at 11:30 p.m. yet postmortem was conducted only at 6:10 p.m. The SC had asked the Supreme Court, the SC had asked the Mamata government then as to why these, this sort of delay was seen. We also have Anuj who's joining us from the CGI complex. There's more updates on the same. Anuj, take us through the latest far as the probe is concerned. We just heard what next when we speak of Sandeep Ghosh's questioning. But what more do you know?
जी बिल्कुल, संदीप घोष की क्वेश्चनिंग जो है आज फिर से की जा रही है। आज 8वां दिन है जब संदीप घोष को सीबीआई हेडक्वार्टर फिर से तलब किया गया और उनसे पूछताछ की जा रही है। आज ही जो संदीप घोष और बाकी जो 4 डॉक्टर हैं उनके पॉलीग्राफी टेस्ट की प्रक्रिया भी शुरू की जाएगी, क्योंकि कल जिस तरीके से पॉलीग्राफी टेस्ट को लेकर इजाजत कोर्ट से मिली है, उसके बाद सीबीआई जो है वो कहीं न कहीं तैयारी कर रही है ताकि इस पूरे मामले की कड़ियां जोड़ी जा सके। जाहिर तौर पर जिस तरीके से इस पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन की बात करें तो सीबीआई के सामने जो समस्याएं आ रही हैं वो सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है कि जो क्राइम सीन है उसे कहीं न कहीं प्रिजर्व नहीं किया गया था, वहां कहीं न कहीं छेड़छाड़ की गई थी। साथ ही साथ कई ऐसे एविडेंस, कई ऐसे सबूत थे जिन्हें नष्ट कर दिया गया, जिसकी वजह से सीबीआई को तमाम इस पूरे मामले की कड़ियां जोड़ने में कहीं न कहीं परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ संदीप घोष और जितने लोगों से अब तक पूछताछ हुई है, चाहे अनूप दत्ता की बात की जाए या बाकी जो इस पूरे मामले के किरदार हैं, उनके बयानों में भी कई तरीके की विरोधाभास आ रहा है। जिसको लेकर अब सीबीआई के सामने पॉलीग्राफी टेस्ट जो है एक रास्ता है, जिसको लेकर सीबीआई जो है आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। जाहिर तौर पर अगर हम बात करें, जो मुख्य आरोपी है संजय राय, उसके बयानों में भी कई तरीके की विरोधाभास सामने आया था, जिसको लेकर सीबीआई जो है उसका भी पॉलीग्राफी टेस्ट करवाएगी। तो पॉलीग्राफी टेस्ट के जरिए
on the polygraphy test and what comes from it. Obviously, it's day 8 of Sandeep Ghosh's questioning. We have inside details on the line of questioning. Far as Sandeep Ghosh is concerned, we'll keep an eye on this big story through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.